What?
I'm not saying how to run a business, but I'm just saying, if you came to somebody and said, hey, I'm going to give you 20, 25, even 30%, it would still be a huge, I mean, it'd still be a big number for people to jump in. So why'd you go all the way to 40?
Oh, are you cute? Are you cute? Oh, oh, yeah, I know. I know. What is it? Yeah. Yeah. What is it? Huh? Oh. Yeah. You're making some funny faces. Yeah, you're making some. Yeah, you're making some funny faces. Yeah, you are. Drooling everywhere. Drooling everywhere. What?
If you saw half a chance,
What?
I don't blame you for it because I
Oh.
go for half a chance if it saves people money.
Oh.
Look, if you are still interested, I mean, I understand what you're saying.
Yeah.
You're telling me you're still interested. I think what we need to do is we need to all take a deep breath.
Oh.
Maybe take a night to think about it.
What?
So
Oh.
What?
Oh.
I would feel better spending more time.
We're gonna talk?
We see you for dinner?
Yeah.
I go to work a
Well, you can say something.
Thanks for talking.
Are you gonna talk?
He has to know me better. That's fine, because we're going to dinner.
Oh. Yeah. What a face.
You move him around like that, or he moves himself?
Now he's moving himself. Yeah. I know.
At the end of dinner, I'm going to bring up business.
Yeah, I know.
He's confident. We might just get him to make the decision. John, playing a billionaire and his wife.
You got them old hiccups. Oh, got them old hiccups. Where's Peppa?
Today's been a hell of a rush.
Where's Peppa?
Dinner tonight is critical.
Where's Peppa?
He's interested, but we haven't closed the deal, so we've got to be on our game.
Yeah.
It's got to go down perfect.
Where's Peppa? I know.
How do you feel?
Yeah.
I'd love to do some business with you.
I would like the business
Where's
to do as well.
Peppa?
You know, again, it's very fast. I move so fast.
Where's he? Where's that Peppa?
About breaking bread together. It's about becoming
Yeah,
friends.
where's that
Everybody's
Peppa?
really interested in what we're about. And so this is our chance
Where's
to
Mum,
fill
Mum,
in the
Mum?
blanks and make us look like real
He say,
people.
Mum, Mum, Mum?
Find out if he's really gonna get into the deal.
Huh? Mum, Mum, Mum?
Yeah.
Yeah.
John,
Mum, Mum, Mum?
of all the guys you brought to me, if I had to do it quickly,
You say, Mum, Mum, Mum?
Yeah, you usually have a
Where's that Mum, Mum?
phone or over the internet. You get a sense of people. You know, I got a good sense of you.
Mom.
I did as well with you.
Say,
And, you know,
Mom. Mom. Oh, Mom, Mom, Mom. Oh,
go in and ask for a black, but I didn't think
we're getting mad. We're getting mad. Where's Mom, Mom, Mom? Oh, oh, oh. Whee. Mom, Mom, Mom. Mom. Mom, Mom, Mom. Oh, Mom, 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 Mom. Mom, Mom, Mom. Mom, Mom, Mom. You're getting frustrated. Are you getting frustrated? Where's Mom, Mom? Oh.